Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or accountant looking to get a clear picture of your finances, today's video is a must-watch. I'm going to show you exactly how to configure the chart of accounts in Zoho Books step by step so your accounting is organized, efficient, and ready for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly understand what the chart of accounts is. Think of it as the backbone of your accounting system. It's a list of all the accounts your business uses to categorize transactions, like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. A well-structured chart helps you track money flow and generate accurate reports. Log in to Zoho Books. Open your browser and go to zoho.com/books. Click Sign In and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see all your core accounting tools. Access the chart of accounts on the left-hand menu, locate settings, and click Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see the default accounts that Zoho provides, review and organize accounts. Before adding anything, review your existing accounts. Make sure each account has a clear name and category, like assets, yads, liabilities, income, or expenses. You can edit or delete default accounts if they don't match your business needs. Add new accounts, click New Account. Give it a descriptive name, select the right account type, and add details like opening balance if needed. For example, you might add a petty cash account under assets or a marketing expenses account under expenses. Link bank and credit card accounts. Optional, but recommended. For even better tracking, you can connect your bank and credit card accounts. Go to banking, click add bank or credit card, select your provider, and securely enter your login details. This ensures every transaction automatically maps to the right account in your chart. Save and review once you've added or updated accounts. Double check everything. Make sure categories are correct and balances are accurate. Your chart of accounts should now reflect your real-world finances, making reporting and decision-making effortless. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've configured your chart of accounts in Zoho Books, setting yourself up for organized, stress-free accounting in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials and business tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.